Is what we look like over here. Okay. And I'm going to start out with YFU token. Okay. This is the weekly bees.social report. And we are at July 2nd. Okay. June of 25th. And you can look at this is on our charts, everybody, right? So any of this you could see from back then on, and it was a week ago, June 25th, it was at 70 cents YFU token, right? So now it's a little above 80 cents, right? That's what it is. And so from a week ago till now, you're up 14 cents from a week ago, okay? If you bought $100 of YFU tokens on 625, you would have 141 YFU tokens, and it would be worth $120 today if you sold it. So again, if you put $100 in from a week ago, you'd be up $20. There are 356 YFU token holders, okay? YFU has a total market cap of 8,862,844. Okay, and that's this week. That's again, these are projects just rolling out. YFU will launch their super hive tonight on July 2nd, which will have a 30% flash yield on all YFU tokens staked. And
hold on.
Yep, yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the screen. I got a new graphic. You see it? You can't see it.
I'm sharing my screen, but that's all right. Go ahead.
I got the nugget alert. Thug Nuggets up there.
There you go. That's it. We got to make them flash too.
I am flashing them.
That's a big deal, everybody. I mean, you gotta get 30% as soon as. So you put it. Say you had 100 tokens, right? And you paired it up with Ethereum, YFU tokens, and Ethereum. Immediately you get 30 extra tokens just placed into your wallet. That's what a flash yield is, right? That's what's happening. That's what's going on. Super hives. This staked position is issued in the form of a tradable asset-backed NFT. I'm going to get into this too. And so we understand why is that a big deal? Why it's awesome. And again, hard to say what it is, and you don't know about it as new, right? We're all new to this, but I'm going to tell you exactly what that means. I'm going to show you even in other people's projects that what people are building, how this is going to be used, right? It's a big deal, everybody. This is more than just pictures, right? It's not just about that. Anime Limited released a new NFT called Laura, the third bronze edition and the fifth of the YFU card collection. So that's what happened this week with YFU. They had a lot going on, right? And again, we still have this going on. Super Hive launched tonight. You're going to be able to get the flash yield. So not only is your money going to be staked and doing additional things like yielding seeds, they're also going to be tradable asset-backed NFTs. And that's going to be able to allow you to take loans against this position, right? Very cool. Very cool. Your capital is locked, but it's not where you can't do something with the capital. Kind of crazy. It doesn't make sense, but it's amazing, right? So just trying to get you to wrap your head around it. It's providing liquidity, doing great things for YFU, but yet you are able to do things with the actual capital because you can prove that you are the owner of this staked position. Very cool.